And I call Mr. Eric Igore. Mr. Eric Igore is a Zimbabwean, and he works for LAS, but he is a member of Zimbabwe Association as well. Mr. Gore, can you please come forward?
I'm not going to say much because Celia has got a speech that she's prepared already for LAS, so she's on her way right now.
So,
She's going to speechify on behalf of LAS instead of me.
No, you are not speaking on behalf of LAS. You are on behalf of Brooklyn and on behalf of yourself and behalf of LAS.
Looks like I'm so popular with people. Right, I'm Eric, African Communities Worker with LAS, Leicestershire AIDS Support Services. My brief is to go in the African communities. We raise awareness about HIV and AIDS. We support people infected or affected by HIV and AIDS. So people affected and infected come to our premises. We give them psychological, emotional, physical, financial help, and any other type of assistance that we can give. We also go into the communities. We test people to be HIV testers, of which I know some of you guys in here are now community testers. We also encourage people to come for HIV tests because if you look, there's the greatest prevalence of HIV is in Africa. But if you come to this part of the world and still have the same mentality of saying, if I get tested and I know my status, then it's a death sentence, then that's the wrong way of thinking. They support you with medication. It's not a death sentence anymore in this part of the world. So the only way for someone to know that they are positive or negative is to go for a test. You can never tell by looking at someone and say, I think he's healthy or she's healthy. I'll just assume they are negative or positive. No. So that's my brief to encourage as many Africans in Leicestershire and Rutland to come for an HIV test. Celia will come and finish what she's doing. Thank you.
Yes, for what about black bag? Anyone wants some Swiss, can come and see me. Anyone who wants some Swiss, for those who do not know some Swiss, whenever he walks around, he gives you just a small part in the token. It's better than buying in boots and other shops. Please come and see me.
Hudson, I'll give you a time. Hudson, today I'm the chef. And you are the type.
yes,